The biggest mistake most new YouTubers make is grabbing the first cheap mic they see, only to end up with muddy, noisy audio that turns viewers off in seconds. Your voice is your brand. When it sounds tinny or picks up every keyboard click and fan hum, people click away fast. I've tested dozens in this price range, and today I'm ranking the top 5 microphones under $150 that actually deliver clear professional sound for YouTube without breaking the bank. Stick around. Number 1 is a game changer. Number 5. Logitech Creator's Blue Yeti USB Microphone. The Blue Yeti is a legendary entry point for anyone starting a hobby in streaming or voiceovers. It's perfect for creators who want a plug-and-play experience without buying extra gear like audio interfaces. With its 3-capsule array, it offers 4 different pickup patterns, making it incredibly versatile for anything from solo gaming to 2-person interviews. In real-life use, you'll love the onboard controls like the instant mute button and gain knob, which save you from digging through software mid-recording. However, its high sensitivity is a small drawback. It tends to pick up background noise like keyboard clicks or distant fans if your room isn't treated. It ranks at number 5 because while it's a classic, newer options offer better noise rejection, but it remains the king of convenience for beginners. Number 4. RODE NT1 5th Gen Large-Diaphragm. If you are looking for that studio look and sound, the RODE NT1 5th Gen is a powerhouse. This mic is a hybrid beast featuring both XLR and USB-C connectivity, making it a future-proof choice for your desk. It's best for creators who want to start with USB but plan to upgrade to a professional mixer or interface later on. The audio is exceptionally clean with almost zero self-noise, meaning your voice sounds crisp and professional. During my testing, the included shock mount and pop filter were lifesavers for keeping the audio thump-free. The only downside is the size. It's a large diaphragm mic that requires a sturdy boom arm. It takes the number 4 spot because of its incredible dual connectivity, though it can feel a bit bulky for smaller setups. Number 3. Audio-Technica AT2020. The Audio-Technica AT2020 is one of those mics that punches way above its price. It's a cardioid condenser that's been a creator favorite for years. Super simple XLR setup. You'll need an interface or mixer, but it delivers clean, neutral sound with a nice high-end sparkle that makes spoken word pop without sounding harsh. In practice, it's perfect for YouTube talking head videos, gaming commentary, or podcasts where you want accuracy over hype. The build is metal and sturdy, and it handles proximity effect well, so you can get that intimate broadcast vibe. Drawback? It picks up room echo easily, so acoustic treatment helps a ton, and it doesn't have USB convenience. It lands at number 3 because it's reliable, sounds pro for the money, and gives you that step towards serious audio quality without overcomplicating things. #2 Electro-Voice RE320. Now we're getting into broadcast territory with the Electro-Voice RE320, a dynamic mic designed for pros, but accessible here. It's got a cardioid pattern with a flat, natural response and a switchable high-pass filter, plus a variable D-Tech that minimizes proximity effect changes when you move. No need for crazy gain. It rejects background noise like a champ. I've thrown it at loud rooms, gaming setups, and even outdoor-style voiceovers. It stays focused on your voice and cuts rumble beautifully. The sound is warm and radio-ready, great for commentary or reviews. Small con, it's heavier and needs a solid boom arm, and some find the tone a touch darker than condensers. But at number 2, it's here because it delivers consistent, noise-resistant performance that makes your videos sound polished and professional every single time. Number 1. Shure SM7DB Dynamic Vocal Microphone. Hands down, if you're serious about YouTube audio under $150 or stretching just a bit depending on deals, the Shure SM7DB is the one to get. It's basically the legendary SM7B with a built-in preamp, so you don't need a cloud lifter anymore. This dynamic cardioid mic gives that iconic warm broadcast sound with excellent off-axis rejection, meaning it ignores fan noise, AC hum, and keyboard clacks while locking onto your voice. The built-in plus 18 dB or plus 28 dB boost means it works straight into most interfaces or mixers without noise floor issues, and the frequency response is tailored for vocals, rich lows, smooth mids, controlled highs. Podcasters and top YouTubers swear by it for a reason. Your narration sounds intimate and pro, like you're in a treated studio even if you're not. The only minor nitpick is it's XLR only, no USB, so you'll want a decent audio interface, but that's a small price for this level of quality. Trust me, this mic elevates everything. It's why it tops the list as the best overall choice for serious creators on a budget.